county have been recognized and have been supported to showcase their talents. And here today we have teams from different parts of Samburu County, and we are glad that this team can be able to engage. As we know, that's Worldwide Championship goes on every year. We would love also Samburu to produce a few talented people, because we have them, and I believe sports is an activity that anyone with any age can engage in. So I'm glad to support this group and be part of the tournament, and we look forward to great teams winning.
We are happy to be here today because of this tournament. It's a launch of this tournament, Samburu County, and we are happy to see that at least men have something good to do other than just drinking, having some drug abuse habit. And today this one has been launched by Dr. Claire and other leaders, and we thank them because of this initiative that they have taken. So I do urge our men, I do urge our youth to engage themselves in such productive ways, and so that we can go on building up our county and even our country.
I'm from Samburu East. Now I take this chance to say thank you to Dr. Claire. She has remembered a code that has been forgotten. The government, other people are focusing on youth, other people. The code between elderly and the young elderly is really forgotten. Now predisposing them to non-communicable diseases. So thank you sana, tunasema ni asante na tunashukuru kwa sababu tuko na njia ya kujiengage sasa.
Thank you so much Dr. Claire kwa maandalizi ambayo ya siku ya leo. Hii mchezo sio rahisi, yataka ujitolee kikamilifu, yataka moyo wako, yataka bidii yako. Na hii mchezo sio rahisi, hii sio watoto. Unajua watu wengine sio matuzi. Saa zingine sio matuzi, lakini tuongee ukweli. Hii mchezo ni ya wazee. Tumeenda kutaya, tunakimbia kweli. Sasa tukimbie, si kweli?
Na tugethie na mbere ni ati mbeu njithe kuma icigo iria igumagirwo